Cameron here. Today, my stepdad picked up a Dewalt compact drill driver kit, 20 volt max lithium ion drill, and we're going to do an unboxing video on it. So, I think it'll be pretty good. It's Dewalt. It's a pretty good brand. You know, name brand. Bought it at Lowe's. For $100. Pretty good deal. I think it would be. But, I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab the scissors because I tried to make a video. I tried pausing it, but I accidentally hit the stop button when I went to go get the scissors. So, I'll be right back. Alright guys, back again. Got the scissors. Unbox this son of a gun right here. I think it's going to be pretty good. You know, since it's Dewalt, you know, the name sells it, really. Most of the time, that's how most companies are. The name sells it, you know. Whoa, Jesus. Okay. So, put this there. Comes with a battery charger and 2 batteries. So, let's get open. While I'm unboxing this, I might just well tell you guys, I probably won't be making that many videos, but from now on, I'll probably, you know, I'll try to make some more. If you guys seen my 2 last videos, you know, I do want a 4-wheeler with my uncle's tractor I was on, Bell and Hay. Alright, when I open this up, see, it's a bag. I guess it comes with a bag. You guys can see that. There's a bag in there. So pull that out. Jesus. It's heavy. There. Okay. There's the box empty. Run that later. Comes with this big Dewalt bag. Big Dewalt bag. Okay. So, I'm going to unzip this. Alright, comes with this on top of it. And the battery charger is laid here with the cord. In the background, it's my mom coming home. Stepdad watching UK. UK again. Here's 2 batteries. Or 1 battery. And here's the other. There's 2 batteries. It's a battery charger and 2 batteries so far. Now, let's get to the good part. Here's the drill. Comes with the drill. Open this up. I don't know if the batteries come fully charged or not. But we'll see. You know, pretty good looking drill. Pretty grippy, really grippy hand grip on it. You know, kind of top heavy. Really, yes, really very top heavy, but you know. He's got a little flashlight on there, you know. It smells new. You know, pretty good grip. You know. So, we'll see if these batteries come charged or not. So, put this one in here. And it is. Here's the flashlight. I could use this as a fan. Little thing we can put your drill bit in. The driver. Different power settings you got. Different, you know. Different speed settings on it. And yeah. I think that's about it for this video. And hope you enjoyed. Bye.